Alright guys, so I'm kind of tired of looking at these 18-inch rims and the sun's out, so it's time to put on the 20s. Here they are. I still haven't cleaned them, so let's get to cleaning them today. And to be honest, I don't even know if they're gonna fit. But yeah, let's take a look. Alright, so I'll be using two things to clean them up. I'll be using this to clean up the tires, and I'm using the Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner. That's what usually works for me. But it's gonna be a little different since these are plastic dipped. Not sure how the outcome is gonna be. I kind of like the color, so I'm trying not to damage it. So let's see how it turned out.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
So yeah, it started raining a little bit. Yeah, that sucks. So it kind of stopped raining a little bit, but let's check these out. Not bad. Not perfect, but not bad. So yeah.
Inside my own world of belief, kids kicking in the cradles, profanity. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Far
Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Here's the final results. Whew. It's got a little poke to him. Got a lot of poke actually. Looks okay. Look a lot better if it was lower though, that's for sure. Alright, see you guys next time.